Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting, traction control, rear view camera. Your new ride is just a phone call away.